Alright, this is the next question from Cat24, the first lot. Please pause the video and try it once and you can resume for the solution. So there are four numbers such that the average of first two is 1 more than the first number. Average of first three is 2 more than the average of first two numbers. And average of first four numbers is 3 more than the average of first three numbers. Then the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers is. It's a really amazing question. I mean, a very beautiful question. If you solve it conventionally, it might take some time, but there is a quick shortcut for this question. So let's discuss both the approaches. We'll start with the conventional method first. Let's take the numbers as A1, A2, A3, and A4. And now whatever working will be required, I can do it in this particular place here. So the first number, I'm assuming it as X. The question says the average of first two numbers is 1 more than the first number. So if I call the first number as X, second number as A2, the average of X and A2 will be X plus A2 divided by 2. And this we have been told is 1 more than the first number. So it is X plus 1. I'll just write it here as well. The average of first two numbers is X plus 1. On solving this, I'll get the value of A2 in terms of X. I will get X plus A2 is equal to, the 2 would get multiplied on the right hand side. I will have 2X plus 2. So X plus A2 is 2X plus 2, X on the right hand side. 2X minus X will be X only and 2 will be 2. So A2 we have found as X plus 2. Let me write it here, A2 as X plus 2. Now the next part says the average of first three numbers is 2 more than the average of first two numbers. And we know the average of first two numbers is X plus 1. So the average of first three numbers will be 2 more than this. It will be X plus 1 plus 2 or X plus 3. So I'll write it here. The average of first three numbers is X plus 3. Alright. Now using this in the equation that they have given, we will write the average of first three numbers. The first three numbers are X, X plus 2 and A3. Their average will be X plus 2 plus A3 divided by 3. And this we know is nothing but X plus 3 only. So we have X plus X. 2X plus 2 plus A3 is equal to 3 into X plus 3 is 3X plus 3 3s are 9. So we will get 2X on the right hand side and 2 also on the right hand side. A3 will be 3X minus 2X which is X plus 9 minus 2 which is 7. So you got A3 as X plus 7. The last part says average of first four numbers is 3 more than the average of first three numbers. For the first three numbers, we know the average is X plus 3. Add 3 to this, you should get the average of first four numbers. It will be X plus 6. So the average of first four numbers is X plus 6. And now using this in the equation, we will write average of first four numbers as X plus X plus 2, the second number, plus X plus 7, the third number, plus A4, the fourth number, divided by 4 is equal to the average X plus 6. Taking 4 on the right hand side, X plus X plus X will now become 3X plus 7 and 2 is 9 plus A4 is 4 into X is 4X and 4 6 are 24. Taking 3X and 9 both on the right hand side, I will get A4. A4 is 4X minus 3X that is X plus 24 minus 9 that is 15. So A4 will be X plus 15. And that's all. That's all we need to answer our question. We now need the difference of the largest and the smallest numbers. The smallest number is X and the largest number is X plus 15. You can subtract X plus 15 minus X to get the answer. X plus 15 minus X is your answer 15. So that was your first method of answering the question. Now let's see a very quick shortcut for dealing with such questions. Let's write the numbers as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, the concept we are going to use is the concept of deviations. And deviations we have studied in our course. You can check out the link in the description or you can check out the card flashing on the top right corner of the screen right now. Let's take A1 as X. The question tells us that the average of the first two numbers is 1 more than the average of the first number. So average of A1 and A2 is x plus 1. Now, if the average is x plus 1, the first number has a deficit of 1 from the average. So, to compensate, the second number should have an excess of 1 from the average. So, second number should be x plus 2. So, very instantly you can figure out the second number as x plus 2. Further, the question says the average of the first three numbers is 2 more than the average of first two numbers. First two numbers, the average was x plus 1. If I add 2 to this, I will get x plus 3. So the average of first three numbers is x plus 3. Now, the first number has a deficit of 3 from the average and second number has a deficit of 1 from the average. Together they contribute to a deficit of minus 4 from the average, right? We know the concept of deviation tells us that the overall deficit and excess about the average is always 0. So the third term should necessarily have an excess of 4 from the average. So the third term must be x plus 3 plus 4 and that is x plus 7. Next, the average of first four numbers is 3 more than the average of first three numbers. For first three numbers, the average we have found is x plus 3. 3 more than this will be x plus 6. So the average of first four numbers is x plus 6. Now, the first number has a deficit of 6 from the average. Second number has a deficit of 4. The third term has an excess of 1 from the average. So together, all these three terms have a net deficit of minus 6, minus 4 plus 1, minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So all these three terms together have a deficit of minus 9 from the average. To compensate, the last term must have an excess of 9 from the average. So x plus 6 plus 9, the last term is x plus 15. So the difference of the largest and the smallest numbers can be very easily found as x plus 15 minus x. The answer to my question will be 15. Beautiful question, and that's how we do it. I hope you all have enjoyed it and understood this also.